Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The most futuristic flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra, will be the first to feature a chip built on a 2nm process technology. According to the latest preliminary news data, the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, new details surfaced for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Here's what's important about them. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S Ultra line has long since established itself as the home of Qualcomm's most powerful mobile solutions, albeit not available in all markets. Therefore, it's no surprise that the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to follow a proven path and feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. Moreover, details have already surfaced online that allow us to get an early look at the platform's potential. On Weibo, Insider Digital Chat Station revealed two upcoming Qualcomm chipsets, codenamed SM8975 and SM8950. Based on the naming conventions, as well as previous leaks, the former is associated with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, while the latter is attributed to the regular Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor. Both versions will reportedly be manufactured using TSMC's 2nm process technology, and feature the same 2+3+3 CPU design, featuring 2 main cores, 3 performance cores, and 3 power-efficient cores. However, the differences lie in the graphics and memory. The Pro version will allegedly feature an Adreno 850, 18MB of GMEM, and support for up to LPDDR6 RAM, while the standard version will be limited to an Adreno 845, 12MB of GMEM, and LPDDR5X. To understand the scale of the upgrade, it's worth remembering that the current Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 has 2 main performance cores and 6 performance cores, Adreno 840 graphics, and uses LPDDR5X memory. Therefore, the combination of the new CPU, the latest GPU, and the faster memory in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, found in the S27 Ultra, could significantly improve performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 used in the recently launched Galaxy S26 Ultra. In addition, the new Galaxy S27 Ultra, for its primary camera, will use a new Samsung 200-megapixel image sensor, named ISOCELL HP6, which is 1 by 1.3 inches in size. It is previously speculated about the possibility that Samsung might switch to rival Sony's new Lydia LYT9001 200-megapixel image sensor. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy S27 lineup will launch in February next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.